Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to hide phone number and email address from spam bots in our PHP website. Now you see our email address and phone number. Before starting work, as per request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this email address and phone number show to spam bots. Now right click on it and then you see view page source. So click on it. Now you see visible. So spam bot crawl this email address and phone number. Now close. So we are going to add custom code. Now go to your file and then you see. So we are going to add custom code for PHP. Now paste and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now you see email, phone, echo, protect, contact. So this is a function name. Now you see email address, email, phone number, phone. So this is our PHP function. Protect, contact, encoded, convert the string into HTML entities in ASCII number. We are going to convert email address and phone number in ASCII and then generate a unique ID to prevent conflict on the page. So you can use multiple phone address and email address on one page. And then you see output a placeholder and this is a script function and then click on save changes. Now you see success message. So we are using same function for this both. Now go to page. Now refresh the page. Now you see email, phone. Human can see it. Now go to page source again. You don't see any email address and phone number in page source. Now you see. Now spam bots cannot crawl our phone number and email address in PHP website. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.